In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp on PC. We'll walk through the process from search to installation so you can get up and running quickly and safely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type ClickUp download and press enter. This is the quickest way to reach the official source without memorizing a specific URL. In the results, look for the official listing from clickup.com that mentions downloading the desktop app. It's typically labeled something like ClickUp official download. Click that result to go straight to the right place and avoid any third-party sites. On the ClickUp site, you should see a prominent button that says Download for Windows. Go ahead and click that. If you don't immediately see the direct download button on the homepage, no problem. Look for the section or link labeled Mac and Windows and select it to open the page that lists the desktop downloads. This simply routes you to the dedicated download options if the homepage layout differs or if you're navigating from a different landing page. Now, on the Downloads page, click Download for Windows again. Your browser may ask whether you want to save the file. Choose Save. Most browsers will place the installer in your Downloads folder by default, and you'll usually see the progress bar at the bottom or top of your browser window. If you're redirected to the Microsoft Store instead, just click Get, and Windows will handle the installation automatically through the store. Once the download completes, open your Downloads folder and look for the ClickUp installer file. Its name typically includes ClickUp and may end with .exe. Double-click it to run. If Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. The installation is straightforward. Follow any on-screen prompts, and in most cases, the installer completes without needing extra choices. When it's done, ClickUp may launch automatically. If it doesn't, open your Start menu, search for ClickUp, and launch it from there. You can right-click the icon and pin it to your taskbar for easy access next time. That's it. You searched for the official ClickUp download, navigated to the Mac and Windows page if needed, clicked Download for Windows, and then opened the installer from your Downloads folder to complete the setup. You're all set to start organizing your work on your PC.